You know what? I got someone's grappler.
Bro, I think buddy. God, watch on me.
Yo, you. Okay, wait.
No.
Also, you.
Oh, your bag is on
Yo,
your back.
you.
I don't even.
Alright, what I want you to do is set off this grenade and then drop it. Set it off, grab it.
Oh, wait, yo, can I have your
Grab it, set it off, and then drop
That's
it.
mine.
Gimme.
Oh!
Dang it. Dang, that didn't work. I need to do it again.
Go inside.
I'll give you this RPG.
You stink.
That didn't get me nowhere.
I'm
I'm right here.
I
can't even
move. Set it off, and then drop it.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, can I get one?
Wait,
Yo,
Green.
guys, I'm upside
Green.
down. Please help me.
I'm not killing anybody.
Hey, bro. You could put that for 30 minutes. No scope. Bro, I am not dropping this orb no matter what. Give it back.
Look, I will protect you, I promise. I promise I will protect you. I'll take it. Let me grab a weapon. Let me grab a weapon.
I'm close. I'm trying to. Let it go. Yo, Blake, get it. Give you a backpack. No, I don't. I have one.
Let go of it, and I'll grab it, and then I'll make sure no one gets it. And then
Your
tell me to
backpack's
grab
open. Your backpack.
Oh yeah. Alright, put it in. I'm gonna put it in.
Nah.
Like, I'll give your backpack back, I promise.
I'm saying upside down.
Oh, no, homie, so.
I'll bark for somebody.
Yo.
I will
Hey, he's
bark
red watch. He's red watch. He's red watch.
for you if you give me a grapple and I'll give you an RPG. I know some of you guys are freaky, so you like me. You'll like if I bark for you. You know I hate Red Watch, man.
You're gay. You have to compensate it to me.
I'll just leave it. How is it surviving? How did you miss?
I do, but it's in the bottom of this bag full of empty RPGs. Also,
That has infinite RPGs, so go get them.
Gucci, sucking the booty like Renegade Raider. Like how?
My game like
Stop
His headset went dead. Yeah.
Can I have that grapple? I'm upside down, please.
Yo,